Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your default currency on CoinMarketCap app. If you want CoinMarketCap to display prices in a currency that makes more sense for you, such as your local currency, this is a quick setting you can update in just a few moments. Changing the default currency can make it much easier to read market prices, track portfolio values, and understand price movements without having to do mental conversions. To begin, open CoinMarketCap on your device. Once the app or site has loaded, give it a moment so the main page fully appears. Starting from the home screen is helpful because it makes it easier to find the account and settings options without getting lost in other sections. Next, look toward the right side of your screen and tap or click your profile. This is where CoinMarketCap keeps personal preferences and account-related settings. If you are not sure what to look for, it is usually represented by a profile icon or avatar. Opening this area gives you access to the options that control how information is displayed for your account. After that, find and select the currency option. This setting controls the default fiat currency used across the platform when market prices, rankings, and values are shown. For example, instead of seeing everything in one standard currency, you can switch it to the one you prefer for easier tracking. Once the currency list opens, choose your desired currency. Take a second here to make sure you select the correct one, especially if several currencies have similar names or abbreviations. As soon as you tap your preferred option, CoinMarketCap should apply the change automatically. In most cases, you will not need to save manually, but it is a good idea to pause briefly and let the app refresh. Finally, return to your dashboard to confirm that the new currency has been applied. Check the prices and values shown on screen and make sure they now match the currency you selected. This final check helps confirm that the update worked properly. If the currency does not appear to change right away, try refreshing the page or reopening the app. Sometimes settings take a moment to sync, especially if your connection is slow. And that's it. You have successfully changed your default currency on CoinMarketCap, making the platform more convenient and personalized for everyday use.